Okay, in front of you is the first question. We're going to do it together. The first thing I've done is I have put all the numbers into order. I've put them into from smallest to biggest. That's really helpful. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the median. Okay, so to find the median, I have to count from either side to find the middle number. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I ended up with 6 and 7. So the median will equal 6.5. Okay, then what I need to do is I need to then find the so that's quartile 2, remember? Then I need to find the upper and the lower quartiles. So I'm going to go in again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then so the quartile 2, so Q1 is going to equal 4. Okay, so the lower range of what they usually took in an hour is around 4. And the upper range would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. So Q3 is 10. So generally a good hour would be 10, a bad hour would be 4. The rest of them are kind of extremes. Think about times in a pizza shop. Most people aren't ordering pizzas at 3 o'clock in the afternoon or 10 o'clock in the morning. So we're probably looking at those times. Okay, so we've got our Q1, our Q3, and we've also got our upper extreme and the lower extreme. So rather than having lots of numbers, sometimes we use box and whisker plots to organise our data so we don't have to have lots of numbers, just the minimum numbers that we've got. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a box that goes from quartile 1 to quartile 3. Okay, so quartile 1 starts at 4 and quartile 3 goes up to 10. Okay, so that's where we're looking at. All right, then we're going to draw a line where our median is. Okay, so our median is 6.5, so that's going to be about here. Now you guys have rulers, you also have grid markers. I probably should have done that. So this is an estimate. Then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line up to our upper number. So the 5-number summary, our highest number is 18. So we're going to draw a line, and sometimes we call these things box and whisker plots because they actually look like a box with whiskers coming out of it. And our lower number is going to be 1. So we're going to put a line and put it to 1. All this needs to be connected. Okay, and that's how we do our box and whisker plots. So let's just check. We have our median, so quartile 2 is here, so Q2. We've got Q3 here. Okay, so our upper range. We've got Q1 here, which is our lower range. We've got our upper extreme, which is 18 here. And we've got our lower extreme, which is 1, which is probably earlier in the day when no one's really asking for pizza. Okay, that's how we're going to do our box of whisker plots. As you go through, question 2 is exactly the same as question 1. There's just one extra question. Question 3, it asks you to find the range as well. Question 4, you're just reading the box and whisker plot, which is quite nice. And question 5, you're reading it again as well. Okay, good luck. Email me if you have any questions.